Hey everyone, Rob Farrow ATV here. Got a parcel today. Short little video on what it might be. Having trouble opening the box. Still very much winter here. Over 2 feet of snow still, and not super warm. So what do we have here? You might like this. From Rubber Down Customs. I don't know if you can tell, but that's a bear. Rob Farrow ATV. And then it also has a red screen backing for it. So this is going to go on the XMR. If you can figure out what it reads. That's pretty cool though. You probably see it better with the white. They did an awesome job. Thanks to Rubber Down Customs. Pretty cool. Gonna put her on the ATV, see how she looks. You remember that's what my old one looked like? Got the screws out of it. I don't need to remove this screen. I could, but I don't know. It's a light screen, little extra protection. The other screen's gonna go on top anyways. Alright, so we got the screen backing. Notched out to go around everything, and the holes are cut where the bolts go. I gotta put that other clip off the other front in there. I'll be using the same screws and taking this clip off. And then we'll put that clip in down there, like so. Second smallest one be T30. And center it. I'll keep a lot more of the mud out there, and it'll still let air through. Cover. Finished product. gonna look pretty cool. That's an excellent addition from Rubber Down Customs. Thanks, guys. Great job. Alright, hope you like the new little rad cover. Thanks for watching, everyone. Catch you out on the trail.